Welcome back to my channel, dear viewers. This time I will be showing you how to run the Zilpay testnet. That's the Zilpay wallet testnet. It's actually on Zilliqa ecosystem. I'll be showing you how to run their testnet so that you can qualify for their airdrop. I noticed that's the trend in town right now, so we should all not miss out. We should try and also participate so that we can get their airdrop as well. It's an ecosystem on their own, so let's try it out as well. But I will be showing you how to run the airdrop on. It's a two-way airdrop, a testnet. You can run via the mobile app and via the web version. But I noticed when the mobile app doesn't accept the use of screen record, or neither does it take screenshots. So that's why I will be running the web version. So now I have the instruction written on my WhatsApp. So we'll be going through the instruction one after the other, so that, and this is the links these are the links you'll be needing, and I will copy exactly as you are seeing them here. I will copy and paste them under the video description so that you can get all the links there. Yeah. So right now what I will be doing you see, if we were to be using the application, we would have gone from 1 to 5 sequentially as it is written here. But the fact that we are not, you can actually try the mobile application, sorry, on your own. But I won't be able to do it because even if I should make screen record, you won't be able to see anything on my screen. You only hear my voice. So that's why I'm using the web version. So we'll be going through the web version now. But when using the web version, you need a kiwi browser, and and this is the link you need to install extension. So I'm sure we all know what Chrome extension is, and if you don't know, I'll be showing you how to run it now. So just click this link. You go to your kiwi browser. Okay, let me look for my kiwi browser. It's my kiwi browser. So I'll be pasting what I copied. That's the Chrome extension on kiwi browser, not Chrome. Kiwi browser, kiwi, KIWI. Then this is add to Chrome. You click on add to Chrome on the top right corner, and click OK. Yeah. So once you click OK, you see it will redirect you here automatically. So what I'll be doing now is I already have a wallet. So what I'll be doing is I will restore my wallet. So I'll restore, but I won't be showing you my details. So once you are done, all you need to do is to continue. It's because I originally have the mobile wallet. So that's why I created my main wallet. So you can actually run more than one. You can run the mobile wallet and run the web as well. So I want to restore the same wallet I have on the mobile wallet. So now I'll pause. You won't be able to see my password and phrase for security purpose. So now, but this is how you run it actually. Once you're done, you click continue. So I'm done entering my key phrase now. So after clicking continue, this is what it will show you. That's if you are restoring a wallet. But if you're creating a new wallet, it will show you your key phrase, and make sure please you save your key phrase where you know that it is very, very safe, where no one can access it, and where you can access it when you need it later, maybe when you change your phone or something, please. So click on start using. So this is my wallet. So it's still loading. I'm supposed to have some balance right now in my wallet. But what you need to do first, when you have this kind of wallet, what you actually need to do first is, it is a test net. And I always tell you that when you are running a test net, you need to change your test net to test net first. Since right now it's currently on MainNet, that's why it's showing me 0, because I don't have any ZIL in the wallet. So I need to run the testnet first before I can actually get to use the wallet. So now to check the testnet. This is MainNet. As what you are seeing right now is the main wallet, but the web version. But to now use the testnet now, let's go back to my WhatsApp instruction. You can see, let's go back to my WhatsApp instruction. Here is where we've done the Chrome extension. So now what do we need? We need a token for us to use for testnet, which is on this site. You can use this or this you can use this one or this link. Any of these two can give you the testnet. It will give you the ZIL for you to swap and to provide liquidity. But first, let's go back to where I was. We need to change. As you can see, when I drag up the screen, you can see what shows below. You can see the home icon, the menu, the swap, the time, and the settings icon. So the gear icon, which is this, you click on the gear icon. You can see different. We have account, general, contact, advanced networks. But what we need is the network, because we want to change the network from MainNet to testnet. You can see it is on MainNet. You click on MainNet, you change it to testnet. So that's all you need to do. You don't need to, if you click with this update, it will know, just close this page. Once you change it to testnet, close here, then you just close it. Then it will now say you now use, okay, no, it shouldn't go here by itself. So it will come here actually, but if it doesn't come here, this link that leads here, you still see it is ZILALL, which is this. Sometimes it comes automatically, sometimes it doesn't. But if yours doesn't come, use this. Copy this link, open it in a new tab, paste it. Once you paste this link on your kiwi browser, it will bring you to this page as well. So you just click connect, or let me just copy it instead. Copy, so that we'll do it ourselves manually. Paste here, you paste it, paste. So you can see it's still the same thing that is popping up. So we'll connect wallet. So you can see our wallet is connected now. So this is the wallet we really need for this testnet. But you can see my own, it's because I've already run the wallet earlier, so that's why you're seeing this balance. But if it is yours now that you're just running newly, you won't see that. So how do you get it? How do I get this balance? What you need to do is go back to the links, come here, use, as I said earlier, to get the testnet token. This is the link you copy. You see all these links in the description for the video. I will drop everything there, don't worry, you see everything. So I'll come here, open a new tab, create a new tab, paste it here. Because if you don't have the token, you cannot swap, you cannot add liquidity, and those are the key important things you need for you to be able to run the testnet. So you can see here, after opening the faucet, you now need your wallet address. So where do you get your wallet address? Let's go back to, okay, this is wallet address, but you cannot really copy from here. Okay, you can still copy from here. Actually, what you need to do is you click here, you click on this place, you can see your wallet address, but it's more like a long process though. Once you click here, once you click it will show you this. Then you click on this. Okay, let me show you what I clicked to make it clear. So this is what you click, this sign. It will take you to their explorer. Then you will see your address there. You can copy it from there. So this is the option for copy address. You can copy your address here. So it's copied. Copied. Then you go back to the faucet, you paste it here. So that's it. It will ask you if you are a robot or not. You click I'm not a robot, then you run faucet. Click on run faucet. So now after doing this, it might take like 1 or 2 minutes, depend on how fast your network is. If it takes like 1 or 2 minutes, go back to the wallet. That's this. So by then the testnet would have dropped here, the token would have dropped here. You will see it here on this balance. You might get like 1000 ZIL or thereabout. So when you are swapping, you don't have to swap everything, so that you will have enough to use for both swap and liquidity. This is for swap. This is for swap. So now click on which token do you want to swap to. Just use this CFT. I always use CFT. Just use, like, maybe you want to use 200 of your ZIL. You want to swap it to CFT. You click swap, then you click confirm. Then it will still ask you to confirm. Then you confirm. This is the main page. This is it. If there is anything per se, anything you think you don't understand, please don't hesitate to drop comment for me. All these links you are seeing, I will just copy exactly as they are, as you saw them on what's it called, my WhatsApp. I'll drop them in the video description section, so that you can be copying and pasting as you need them to make it easier for you. So if you don't know how to get them in the video description, just drop a comment. I will respond to your comments with the links for you to also check it from there if you can't view from the video's description. Then the next thing, we've done the swap now. The swap is successful. You can see the balance of the ZIL has reduced and the CFT has increased from 0.3 to 0.03 to 0.0517. Then the next thing you do is, we've done the swap, because if you check the WhatsApp instruction here, it says what to do is provide liquidity and swap tokens. So the next thing we will need to do is, we've done the swap, let's provide liquidity. And to provide liquidity now is here, provide liquidity. So I'll click on provide liquidity now. So once you click on provide liquidity, the CFT we used earlier, just use the amount of, you can use any amount, any amount less than the balance of the CFT. Just use 0.02 or something, or 0.304, as long as it's no more than the balance you have there. Then you click on provide liquidity, then confirm. Then still confirm once again. Let's go back to the page. It's still submitting, it's processing. So the accepted you are seeing down there is actually for the swap that we made earlier. So the swap has been done successfully. Then the liquidity is what we are running right now. So the liquidity is also processing. Once it's accepted too, that is all we need to do to qualify for this airdrop. You can see it's accepted now. So that means this my wallet is qualified for this ZILALL, that's ZILIQA ecosystem testnet airdrop. I'm qualified. If they are giving any airdrop now, this wallet is qualified to get the airdrop as well. So thank you very much, and God bless you for watching my video. And as well, please, below this video, just check below this video, you will see the subscription button. Just click on subscription, and you can click on the bell button, so that you can always receive alerts for my new videos once I drop them. And thank you very much. You can as well share with your friends and family. They will actually, I believe they will even gain from it, because once the airdrop drops, it will be like you dash them money. Meanwhile, it was what they worked for. They actually worked for the money. Yeah. So thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much. God bless you as you watch.